Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is gamma distribution. In the gamma distribution, we are going to learn a result on gamma distribution. So let us start with a result of gamma distribution. We shall see this statement first. If x1, x2, xn are independent and identically distributed exponential variates with parameter theta, then the sum of x1, x2, xn follow a gamma distribution with parameter theta and n. Here the condition on exponential variate is that they must be independent and identically distributed, which are abbreviated by IID. So we shall start with the proof of result of gamma distribution. We know that since xi follow exponential with parameter theta for I equal to 1 to up to n, since each xi is independent and identically distributed exponential variate. Hence the MGF of xi is mxit is equal to 1 minus t upon theta raised to minus 1 for each I equal to 1 to up to n. Let y equal to, we will define a new variable y is equal to summation of xi I equal to 1 to n. Let me call this as equation 1 for our further reference. Now we shall calculate the MGF of y. So consider the MGF moment generating function of y. MYT is equal to expectation of e raised to ty. We know that the value of y is summation xi, so it is expectation of e raised to t summation xi, which is equal to expected value of e raised to t into bracket x1 plus x2 plus xn. I am expanding the summation xi into x1 plus x2 up to xn in order to simplify the MGF of y. In the previous lecture, we have already considered the MGF of gamma distribution. If a student want to learn that lecture, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. So which is equal to expectation of e raised to t x1 into e raised to t x2 dot dot e raised to t xn. Since x1, x2 and xn are independent, then e raised to t x1, e raised to t x2 and e raised to t xn are also independent, and by the theorem of expectation of independent random variables, one can write it as expectation e raised to t x1, expectation e raised to t x2 into expectation e raised to t xn. By observing the above expression, we conclude that the first term expectation e raised to t x1 is nothing but the MGF of x1, and second term is MGF of x2 mx2t. Likewise the last term is MGF of xn, and which is mxn t. Hence myt is equal to product of mgf's of x1, x2 and xn. From the equation 1 we will substitute the values of all these moment generating functions. So myt is equal to mx1t is, by equation 1 minus t upon theta raised to minus 1. Similarly, this mx2t is 1 minus t by theta raised to minus 1 into 1 minus t upon theta raised to minus 1. Since x1, x2, xn are IID exponential variates, hence their MGF is same, and after multiplying all these terms we get 1 minus t upon theta raised to minus n, myt. From this equation we observe that the myt, MGF of y, is same as the MGF of gamma distribution, which is the MGF of gamma with parameter theta and n. Hence, from the uniqueness theorem of moment generating function, y must follow gamma with parameter theta and n. Therefore, if x1, x2, xn are IID independent and identically distributed exponential variates with parameter theta, then y equal to their sum must follow gamma distribution with parameter theta and n. Hence the result. In this way we have completed the proof of result. In this result we observe that if individual exponential variates which are independent and identically distributed, then the sum of their exponential variates comes to be a gamma distribution with parameters theta and n. In the previous lectures we have already taken many more terms from the gamma distribution. If students want to learn that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the lectures and playlist are given in the description box. If a student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends to learn the statistical concept simple and more easy way. And further, students are requested to subscribe the Learn Statistics channel for the next upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.